Hi, this is Jay from InvisiClean. We have had some customers that have trouble getting their filter rings off, so I am going to help explain it in a video. The first step I would try is put it in some water to loosen up the ring. The second step is to turn the ring clockwise, but don't grasp this too hard. If you grab it too hard, it will not come off, but if you grab it gently, the ring comes off. If that does not work, you can take a screwdriver or butter knife and put it onto the ring and put it in there and pry 2 or 3 times and the ring should come off. Second step is make sure the O-ring is seated. If it's not, put it into this channel. That's what helps seal the water. And put it into the basin. Press firmly into place. And install your filter ring to hold the filter in place. This ring does not have to be tight. Just help the filter stay in place and not move. And that is it. If you have any questions, we're always willing to help. Please give us a call at 818-787-1188 or email us at support@InvisiClean.com. Thank you.